Take this for 5 nights and see what comes out in your stool. Right now, 7 out of 10 people over 50 are carrying up to 4 pounds of old decaying waste in their gut, leaking poison into their bloodstream 24/7 without even realizing it. Disgusting, right? The good news? There's a simple at-home remedy, using just 2 or 3 kitchen ingredients that can help flush out years of toxic buildup in just 5 nights. And yes, you'll literally see it leave your body in your stool. Today I'll show you an ancient detox recipe that thousands have used to relieve constipation, reduce bloating, restore energy, and feel clean from the inside out, without drugs or expensive supplements. Like Martha, 62, who said she lost 4 pounds of waste in 5 days and finally felt mentally clear for the first time in years. And David, 54, who said he hadn't had a solid bowel movement in weeks until night 3 when, in his words, it was like unclogging a years-old pipe. Let's dive in. Disclaimer, this is not medical advice. If you're pregnant, on medications, or managing a health condition, check with your doctor before trying this. Stick around till the end. I'll walk you through how to make it, what to expect each night, and how to maintain a clean, healthy gut for life. What's actually happening inside your gut? Your intestines stretch over 23 feet and are filled with folds, corners, and creases. Over time, especially after age 50, your digestion naturally slows down. You produce fewer enzymes, your gut muscles weaken, and the food you eat doesn't move like it used to. That leads to trouble. Undigested food, mucus, and toxins begin to dry out, harden, and stick to your intestinal walls, forming something called intestinal plaque. This toxic layer blocks nutrient absorption, feeds bad gut bacteria, and worse, leaks toxins back into your bloodstream daily. The result? Chronic bloating, fatigue, skin problems, poor immunity, even anxiety and depression. Your gut talks to your brain, literally. Here's something most people don't know. Your gut is often called your second brain, and for good reason. It holds over 100 million nerve cells, more than your spinal cord. It also produces 95% of the body's serotonin, the feel-good hormone. That means a toxic gut doesn't just cause constipation. It can disrupt your mood, sleep, memory, and energy. So if you're feeling foggy, low, or emotionally off, your gut might be screaming for help. Why most gut fixes fail. You've probably tried some of these. Laxatives give temporary relief but weaken your gut long term. Probiotic pills or green powders, expensive and often don't reach the colon. Restrictive diets only work short term and can be hard to maintain. Here's the truth. The wellness industry makes billions treating symptoms, but almost no one talks about cleansing the root problem, stuck waste and toxic buildup. That's why this natural, food-based cleanse works so well, because it gently supports your body's built-in detox system without harsh chemicals, side effects, or dependency. The 5-night gut detox remedy. This powerful blend, rooted in Ayurvedic and Mediterranean traditions, softens hardened stool, lubricates your gut, and kick-starts natural elimination, all while you sleep. 1. Warm water. Comfortably warm or never boiling or cold. It relaxes your intestinal muscles and helps dissolve sticky buildup on your gut walls. Drinking warm water before bed helps your body focus on healing, not digestion. 2. Fresh lemon juice. Lemon juice activates bile from your liver, which helps digest fats and carry out toxins. It's mildly diuretic, helps your kidneys flush waste, and is packed with immune-boosting vitamin C. Despite being acidic outside the body, lemon has an alkalizing effect once metabolized, making it harder for bad bacteria to thrive. 3. Extra virgin olive oil or soaked chia seeds. Both work, choose one. Olive oil acts like a natural lubricant, helping stools slide out. Its antioxidants and polyphenols reduce inflammation and support bile production, which helps detach old waste stuck to your colon. Chia seeds. If you prefer a plant-based alternative, Chia is a superstar. Soaked chia forms a gel-like scrub that gently sweeps your intestines clean. It also boosts peristalsis, the muscular action that moves waste along. Packed with fiber, omega-3s, and prebiotics, chia feeds your good gut bacteria too. Important: never eat dry chia seeds. Always soak them first for 10 minutes so they form a gel. Dry chia can swell dangerously inside your throat or stomach. How to make the 5-night cleanse drink. Here's what you'll need. 1 glass, about 250 ml, of warm filtered water. The juice from half a fresh lemon. Then choose 1 tablespoon of cold pressed extra virgin olive oil, or 1 teaspoon of chia seeds soaked for 5 to 10 minutes until gelled. Optional. Add a pinch of cinnamon or a thin slice of ginger if you need help with taste, but no sugar. Stir well and drink it right before bed. Why at night? Because your body switches into detox and repair mode during sleep, when digestion is off duty. That's when deep cellular cleansing happens. Drinking this at night gives your gut an uninterrupted 8-hour reset. Important: make sure you haven't eaten anything for at least 3 hours. No snacks or drinks afterward. What to expect each night. Every body is different, but here's a common pattern. Night 1, you may feel gurgling or have a deeper bowel movement the next morning. That's your gut waking up. Night 2, you might notice changes in color, shape, or smell. That's waste you've been carrying for years. Night 3, many people report seeing stringy, rubbery, mucus, or unusual materials in the stool. This is intestinal plaque breaking loose. At night 4, bowel movements often become more frequent, larger, and more complete. You may feel significantly lighter. Night 5, most people experience a clear improvement. Less bloating, better digestion, improved mood, and more energy. Some even feel emotional. That's normal. When your gut clears, your mind follows. This isn't just physical, it's a mental and emotional detox too. After the cleanse, how to stay clean inside. Once you've cleared out the old wastes, you don't want to clog yourself back up. Here's how to maintain the results. Start each morning with warm lemon water on an empty stomach. Eat a high-fiber diet. Fruits, veggies, chia, flax, leafy greens. Avoid ultra-processed foods, sugars, and heavy meals before bedtime. Add fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, or sauerkraut to feed your gut microbiome. Your gut isn't a garbage bin, it's a garden. Feed it right and it will bloom with energy, health, and vitality. This isn't a magic fix. It's a natural reboot that aligns with what your body is already designed to do: cleanse, heal, and regenerate. If you found this helpful, rate this video from 1 to 10 in the comments and let us know your experience with the cleanse. And if you're ready to feel lighter, more energized, and finally in control of your health, subscribe and hit the bell. We share new natural remedies every week so you can take back your health one simple habit at a time. Your gut isn't just where digestion happens, it's where healing begins.